Hello, hello, my friends. It's your good old pal, CryptoFace. That's right, we're raw, unfiltered, uncut. We could be here for a long time, so if you're maybe laying in bed, maybe you can't sleep, maybe you're just sitting here staring at these dead-ass charts waiting for market open because the action has only been during the open hours, even when the market's not open. For example, like this morning, the action was, around the time when the markets would open if it was a normal day. So, it's Sunday going into Monday, and again, if you're just chilling, we're going to be unfiltered, raw, and uncut. And we're going to take our time. Might be a long time. Go ahead and kick back and let's talk about a couple of things, and we're going to look at a couple things. There's a couple things I've done. A couple things I'm going to do. And I'm going to share those with you. So, first off, it's no lie, it's no secret that altcoins, meme coins, shit coins, let's just call them what they are in right now. I told you guys I bought a bunch of Turbo and a couple other things. But scrolling through Twitter, I found this, and this resonates with me to the infinite degree. This is so cute. And I looked up the token and I can't even find it, so it's probably it's called like Sharky. It's called Sharky. And I can't, it could be on Solano, could be on Tron, Cardano. I can't find it, have no idea what the chart looks like, but I saw this and man, this is something I could get behind. I hope we can find what this chart looks like because, and if not, this is just a picture worth framing. It's worth 1,000 words. Look at it. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's probably the best shitcoin meme sales picture I've ever seen this year or before. I mean, this really hits me to my core in so many ways. So, I mean, I gotta, I can't, I don't want to get stuck on this picture for the whole video, but I definitely can. But God, I love this. I love this so much. So maybe after this video, we're going to check it out. Overall, long story short, the election's coming up, and there is no doubt that there's a lot of money on the sidelines right now waiting, because after the election, it is 100% time to choose. It is going to go somewhere hardcore, up, down. There's going to be big volume. There's going to be big swings. The day, the hour, the second after the election results are official, whatever they're going to be, nobody knows what's going to be. I kind of have an idea of what's going to happen. I have an opinion on who's going to win the election. No matter who wins, it's going to be time to choose whether the price is going to be going up and it's going to be going wham, 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 or wham, 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 or just sideways, wham, 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 wham. It's going to be, everyone's chomping at the bit. Everyone's looking to make a move, and not just in crypto, but everything else. Gold. Oil's going to be a big one. Gold is, again, on fire. We've been hammering gold. It's never going to see $2,000 again. And I mean that legit. Never going to see $2,000 again. Gold will never see $2,000 again. Ever. Oil should be super, super interesting. Typically, if a Democrat wins, the price of oil goes up. If Trump wins, the price of oil will go down, just to give you an idea. And that goes with everything. Commodities. Pretty much everything, you know. In fact, you know, it's almost like no matter what happens, I mean, I can see it on both sides with the stock. I can see it on both sides. Like the market can keep going up if Kamala wins, because we're going to keep printing. Wars are going to continue and fucking keep printing. Fuck it. We've already dug ourselves 6 feet deep. Let's dig another 6 feet just until, yeah, man. Revelations until the end of times. And we might be in the end of times. But I tell you what, people who say we're in the most worst times in the planet and most chaos revelations, shit used to be a lot worse. They didn't have air conditioning in the medieval times. They had plenty of dictators, bad dictators. A dictator is not bad or good. You can have a good dictator and a bad dictator. You can have a good democracy or a bad democracy. Shit, you can probably have good communism and bad communism. You can have good capitalism and bad capitalism. The variable is us, humans. So the point, what I was saying was, I can see both where, okay, Kamala wins, the Democrats win, fuck it, keep digging ourselves in the dirt, keep that market pumping, there's going to be some volatile shit, you know, keep going up. And then shit's going to eventually hit the fan, maybe, probably. And then, well, what if Trump wins and we get that realist market? Well, Trump wins, the markets are positive, a businessman's in, it keeps going up, and then, oh shit, you know, some real shit, we're going to maybe not print as much, maybe. Trump spent a lot of money in his 4 years. He did. And then we also had COVID, so I don't know what's going to happen with the markets, but whatever. But I do know that this sideways, choppy fee blendering, low volatility, weird shit besides on market open is going to end when the election results are in. And then it's game on. So, what am I doing now? I'll tell you. Since my vision has gone gray, and I've been trading hard. You guys saw me. You know, I was trading big time leverage, $20 million positions, $15 million position. And I just got that feeling in my tummy. And I'm like, you know what? Let's pull back. It's time to pull. For me, I'm pulling back. And I want to trade, but I don't think trading with the size I've been trading with is a good idea at all. So I think I'm going to pull back. I might do a breakout funding challenge, or I don't know, maybe like start with $500,000 rather than $1 million or something like that. I don't know. But just, I know how easy it is. Once I go big, I don't like going less. And so, and I've screwed myself plenty of times doing that, knowing that it's like, man, I got to pull back. I got to pull back. And so I've been pulling back. That's why I really haven't been streaming. I've been trading a little bit, but not really. I hit the Ethereum trade. That's another thing. Ethereum. If I'm going to be trading with less money, I'm going to want to increase the percentages. You know what I'm saying? And Ethereum, so if we go, let's see here, let's go just October, whatever, to here, that's 18%. Even just on like the daily, this daily moves, these little moves, they've been like 3-4 times what Bitcoin's been. This is 4.5%. And if we go to Bitcoin, what is that, the 10-minute? I don't know if this is going to be the same time, but, you know, 1.6% compared to 4.5%. You know, so Ethereum's percentages are about 3x. To the people, you know, people are like, oh, I want to go big in a Ripple, like the guys I was, friend of a friend I was talking to, friend of a business partner, and was like, I'm going to go ham in a Ripple. I want to go ham in a Ripple. I'm like, oh, God. Ugh. Oh, God, don't do that. Ethereum, yeah, for like the next run, Ethereum, you know, we can put, I think I'm going to put some big money into Ethereum if, you know, this bullish shit continues. But until this election, things are a little foggy again. Things are foggy until the election. As far as the charts, man, we're in this weird area because we are at the top of this trend line, kind of pushing through it. Inwardly curved VWAP on the daily. Momentum is kind of curving over, but it could continue. The 12-hour VWAPs look good. It does. Like, man, it's hard not to long these tops, but longing the top generally is not a good idea, especially with leverage, because it only takes a few $100s to go against you and you're in the red pretty bad. So we really gotta just be on top of our shit. We're in protection mode right now. I am in protection mode right now. Protection mode right now. Instead of messing your money away in fee blendering bullshit, chopping yourself down right before the big moves start happening, the confident moves start happening. Right now, I just don't feel the confidence. And you know what? Permabulls, get off me. Leave me alone. Stop messaging me on Twitter going, oh man, it's going up. Oh man, you're long, right? 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 You're long right now, right? You're long right now, right? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. And if you think I'm talking to you, I am. But there's not just one of you. It's like 8 of you guys. And you guys are homies of mine, but chill. 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 I get what you're saying. Do you? You're probably right. But ease off me a little bit, man. Ease off me a little bit, y'all. Sunday going into Monday. I think Ethereum's, I think we're going to be trading some Ethereum. I think I'm going to lower my account to like 500K and see if we can have some good Ethereum flips. And I need to reset myself with the leverage and all that, because just like a poker player, you know, once you're used to betting with a certain amount of money, playing with a certain amount of money, it is, at least for me, I can only speak for myself, it is very difficult to tone back. Super difficult. And you keep on ramping up and ramping up and ramping up. And when you do finally make a mistake, and you will make a mistake, I will make a mistake. I don't want it to be like, bah! Just a, bah! Like a Mortal Kombat. I don't want to get Mortal Kombated into my wall. Bah! blasted back. It got Goku. Had that shit happen to me too many times, and I'm sure you have too. Too many times. And I'm sure you have too. How's that one shitcoin doing here? Let's look this up. My gosh. Okay, here we go. Pull back. Oh, that's right. And tomorrow is the RTR big PR release. Boy, if you're in our Discord, man, we went, damn, you guys went ham on that RTR, Restore the Republic coin. I didn't realize we had that kind of power. But the official, like, public announcements are coming Monday. We definitely front ran that shit. And I know it's pretty much impossible to keep secrets in our Discord. I know most of you do. And but man, you guys leaked the hell out of that. But that shit went you know, pumped up a lot, and it's still holding good. In fact, let's see here. I thought I had the chart, but I guess I don't. So the RTR announcement's Monday. So hopefully that goes up a little bit in price. That'll be good. Again, how many days until the election? When's the election? Let me see here. When is the election? November 5th. So we got, what, 2 weeks? 2 weeks. The play, if we're going to trade, is to play on the market open. That's how it's been for the past week. It could change. It could totally change. You know, tomorrow we could certainly see to start pistoning up, and then it dies down. But it's the market open, like the open 4 hours, it's moving, and then it just dies into weird slowing down. Market open, and then and it might get worse. It might be more of that up into the election as things get closer, you know. So yeah, just looking at what did the weekly candle look like? Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Interesting. Damn, I can't believe this like played out. That's crazy. Not much to see here. Boy, we are at a top though. We are at the top. And every top we went along the top. This top, we want it to long. This top, we want it to long. This top, when I say we, I mean everybody. All the perma bulls, Twitter, okay? When we're at these damn tops, we want it to go up more. And it's okay to admit that. And this is the fourth one. What do we say? 4 is Bitcoin's favorite number. This could certainly be the one. It could certainly be the one to finally bust through. I hope it is. But it might not be. And what I'm saying is I don't know. And therefore, if I don't know, or if I am not confident, like, yeah, okay, like I see, I'm bullish too. We're pressing up against it. Like, I get it. I'm bullish too, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 99% sure. Like, I feel like I'm supposed to be when I'm doing these trades. If you're not super sure and you're getting in on a good entry, then I don't think you're supposed to be making the move. We're not gambling. Are we? Are you? Am I? Are we? Not supposed to be. That's not what this is supposed to be. That's not what trading is supposed to be. It's called trading. It's not called gambling. And man, it is a daily, it is a weekly, it is an hourly, it is a monthly, it is a yearly, it is a lively battle when you're in this business that we have chosen. Trading. It's called trading. It's not called gambling. You trade when you have an advantage. Not a gamble. And even when I do gamble, when I go to the casino, I don't like flipping coins. I like to play blackjack and keep a count on things so we can have an edge. Because our money and our family and our friends and our lives are just too valuable just to fuck off on a coin flip, right? This resonates with me so much. It 100%. This is me right now in so many ways. Trading. The shitter Taco Bell I decided to get tonight. And the feeling I have is how I feel. It's going to be an interesting, shit's going to get interesting on election night. And I'm not trying to be, I'll keep my opinions to myself, but I don't know. Who do you think's going to win? I think I know who's going to win. Who do you think's going to win? I'll see you guys soon. We're gonna do some stream trading this week, but it's not gonna be no 20 million, probably not even 10 million. We're gonna trade small, probably these next 2 weeks. But boy, you know that can change. Boy, that can change. I'm saying that right now. But tomorrow we might see volume coming in, shit's going off, things are popping off, and I might be trading 20 million tomorrow. But as of right now, the plan is to stay small and protect ourselves because it's going to be time to choose November 5th, because on November 6th, it's time to choose. And it's time to trade. We're going to be making them trades, man. Been chopping wood since it's I've been throwing wood in the fireplace. I have a whole bunch of wood, and so I was chopping it yesterday and chopped a little bit today. I've gotten good at chopping wood, man. I'm good at chopping wood. And I don't have a damn tree stump either. Man, chopping wood is a lot easier and better when you actually have a tree stump. I've had to make this little cardboard cutout on the ground that kind of helps the log stand up. And then it catches all this shit that flies everywhere, so I don't have a bunch of sticks in the yard. And it's fun chopping wood. I like chopping wood. Anyways, if you're still here, I appreciate it. And I'll be streaming this week. And so I'll see you there. I might even be streaming, probably be streaming the market open. Yeah, let's I'm gonna lower the account and we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. Might even just do the breakout prop shit. Even a warrior gets a little tummy ache sometimes. I love this little guy, and I love this picture. He's got his little sword, his little smile. This is the next, this could be the next big thing. We need to find this token. It's called Sharky. Let's research it. Sharky. I typed it in TradingView, and I can't find it. Sharky. I don't know. I found it on Twitter. Sharky USD. It's probably not even the right thing. Does anyone know what this is and what's the chart? Tell me in the comments. God bless.